Today we're going to take a look at the 6 LED surface mount ultra thin strobe light with the clear lens and amber and clear LEDs. Now this strobe light has an ultra slim 1/4 inch profile that'll fit into tight spaces. Common use for this light is pickup trucks, work trucks, or trailers. Has a nice black base with a clear lens and then 3 amber LEDs and 3 clear LEDs. And the LEDs will make great replacements for incandescent lights because they'll last like 50 times longer, and they're more efficient because they'll provide brighter light with less power output. And of course, no bulbs are replaced, no brittle filaments. This light will offer 23 flash patterns and simultaneous or alternating function. It does connect using this blunt cut wire connection. The wire length is about 8 inches. They got 3 different wires. The black wire is your ground wire, white wire is your power, and the brown wire is used for synchronization and alternating flash. I'm going to go through these when I hook it up to power just to explain them to you. Now this is a surface mount design. It comes with the self-adhesive tape and the mounting screws for a nice simple installation. Now an optional 90-degree mounting bracket is sold separately for more permanent installation if you prefer. This light has an IPX8 waterproof rating, 6 LEDs, voltage is 12 to 24 volt, amperage is 0.5 amps at 12 volts, and the last thing I'm going to do is give you dimensions on this light and then we're going to hook it up. So overall width edge to edge right at 5 1/8 inches long. Overall height bottom to top is 1 3/16 of an inch tall. And the total depth on it we had mentioned, the widest point is going to be right at 1/4 of an inch. So what I'm going to do now is hook this up to some 12 volt power. And basically we'll take our black wire for the ground. And we'll take the white wire for our power. And then I'm going to turn it on that way just to show you how bright it is in the flash patterns. But this brown wire that I mentioned earlier, this wire is what will change your flash pattern. So in other words, what I'm going to do is when this light is on, I'm going to touch this brown wire to the power wire, and that'll give you the different flash pattern options. It'll reset the flash pattern. And this brown wire is also used if you have multiple of these lights on a trailer or a truck, and you want them all to flash in the same time, like synchronize them, then they'll have you'll take your brown wire of each light and connect those so they'll synchronize. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the 12 volt power. And now you can see there's your clear LEDs over there, your 3 amber LEDs. We'll go ahead and turn off our overhead light. You can see how bright they are for just 6 LEDs. And now I'm going to take that brown wire and we'll go ahead and touch it. And you can see since I touched it, it reset it, so it's got a different flash pattern. And touch it again, there's another flash pattern. And one more time. And again, there's 23 flash patterns to choose from. Go ahead and turn back on our overhead light. And we'll go ahead and turn off our 12 volt power. But that should do it for the review on the 6 LED surface mount ultra thin strobe light with clear lens and the amber and clear LEDs.